Hi, this is Carol from Learning Technology again, and in this video we're going to have a look at creating sign-up sheets. In the previous two videos you saw how to create a plain group and also a group set, but in this one we're going to create what's called a sign-up sheet in groups. Now this is particularly useful if you are creating, say for instance, a tutorial group and you want to make various times available to students and you want to make sure that people sign up. It may also be that you want them to attend one of a choice of seminars. So to do this, we're going to go to Create again. You can do this under a single group, self-enroll, but you can also do this as a group set. So the way that we're going to demonstrate this is as a group set, because what we want is a single group set to encompass them all. We'd like to ensure that everybody enrolls into at least one of these, and we can give them different names. So we're going to click onto that. Again, we can give it a name. And a bit of description if we want. Now this option means that the students can see which set that they've signed up to, or they just get the option to sign up to it, and as soon as they've signed up to it, it's then hidden from them. You can just make it completely hidden for the time being as well if you don't want them to be able to sign up to it. Again, I'm going to deselect the tools, but I will discuss this in another video. And again, deselect Allow Personalization. Now it'll give you a slightly different option here. So the name of the sign-up sheet. So for instance, if it was a seminar A, if it's a seminar, sorry, we can put that in there. And we might also want to set the maximum number of members depending on a room size, for instance. So if you can only fit 20 in a room, set the maximum number of members to 20. You might want to show the members to other students as well, so check this box. And this option allows them to sign up from the groups listing page, so if you shortcut to the groups tool, then they can sign up from there. And then you set the amount of groups that you want. So let's say 3 different options. We'll come back to the Smart View later. So I'm going to submit that now. But just to review, we've got the name for the group set. We want them to be able to see it as a sign-up sheet. We're not going to give them any tools just yet. We're not going to allow personalization. The sign-up sheet, it's the start in word, which you'll see on the next page. We can allow 20 to each of these groups. Show members, show on groups listing, and we want 3 groups. When we've submitted this, you can see the group set, seminar choice, and also the names here. If we go into group sets view, we can see the 2 group sets. We can then edit from this menu, and this is where you can change the name. So if you want that to change it to Seminar A, B and C, the students can then decide which one of these that they want to attend. You might also wish to give some details. We don't need to add anybody into these groups because people are going to pick themselves. But if you did need to shuffle anybody around if they'd signed up to the wrong one by mistake, this is where you'd edit it. And then we're going to submit this. If the groups tool is then added in this menu, they will be able to see these groups. let's switch edit mode off, and you can see the sign up sheets are there. They'd view the sheet to sign up, and then it would add them into that group. And that's how you do sign up sheets.